Hello guys, this is how to download Age of Empires 2. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and search for Age of Empires on Steam. Let's go ahead in the search bar, type in there. Age of Empires 2. Let's go ahead and click on that. You can see the price there. Let's go ahead and click on it. Then you can click on add to cart, purchase for myself. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're gonna pick the payment method. You're gonna click the card type and the payment method. Then you're gonna go ahead and fill in all the information. Then you're gonna click continue, and then you would have purchased the game for yourself. Alternatively, you can go into the start menu search, and then you can search in Microsoft Store. We're gonna go ahead and get the game from Microsoft Store. Let's open that. And then in the search bar, Age of Empires. Two. And then you go ahead and click on that. It's that one right there, the definitive edition. So you have two options. You can buy the game or play the game with the Game Pass. For this option, you're gonna go ahead and click on PC Game Pass, and that amounts to 15 Rand right there. And you can also buy it, purchase it straight up. And that is how you download Age of Empires 2 on your PC. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.